Hey guys, today I will show you some MCQs which are very important for pharmacist competition exam. So these are MCQs, these are those MCQs which are paid, which I purchased in RS 1200. So let's start solving these MCQs. Let's start. Our first MCQ is chromosomes are isomeric with. So then chromosomes are isomeric with, that's answer is marine. Our chromosomes are isomeric with chromatin. Next question is, which similarity is necessary for isomerism? So as we know, structural formula, our structural formula is the similarity that is necessary for isomerism. Okay, let's solve our other question, which is here I draw two compounds and you want to give their relationship. Okay, let's do it. So I draw these two compounds and you tell me about their relationship, what they are. Let's draw. That's OH, AH, OH, H, or COOH. Next is its inverse, that is COOH and H, here OH, 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 और here हो जाएगा हमारा COOH. So these are two compounds and these are called enantiomers. Okay, I hope you understand these. Next, our fourth MCQ is, during metabolism, drug having aromatic moieties undergo aromatic hydroxylation mainly at, so our answer is para position. During metabolism, drug having aromatic moieties undergo aromatic hydroxylation mainly at para position. Our fifth MCQ is, example for a 5-membered hydrocyclic compound with one hetero atom is. That's our answer is here furane. Our next MCQ is, the heteroatoms present in phenothiazine are. Here our answer is sulfur and nitrogen. Here we completed our 6th MCQ. Now our next MCQ is, dehydration of alcohol leads to the formation of. Our dehydration of alcohol leads to the formation of ether. Next question is, an example of cycloaddition reaction. Our in our dial elder reaction, an example. So cycloaddition reaction is an example of Dial's elder reaction. Our next MCQ is, which of the following is not a strongly activating orthopara director? So a carboxylic acid is not a strongly activating orthopara director. And we denote carboxylic acid by OCHO. Next question is, the characteristics ending OL is for alcohol, phenol, naphthol. Similarly, the ending AL. So the ending AL characteristics is for, as we know all, it's a very basic question. It's for aldehyde. Yeah, it's for aldehyde. Our next MCQ is, which is our 11th MCQ, which one of the following is heterocyclic compound? Our thiocyanate, thiophene. Our thiophene, as we know, our thiophene is an hydrocyclic compound. So here our answer is thiophene. Our next MCQ is, chlorocresol group attached to it has following group? So chlorocresol group attached to it has one methyl group and one hydroxyl group and one chloride and one chlorine group. That's our answer is. Next MCQ is which one of the following is an example of polynuclear hydrocarbon? As we know, naphthalene is an example of polynuclear hydrocarbon. Our next question is which of the following is not a six-membered ring? Our pyro. So here we have to know that our pyridine is with six-member ring and our piperidine is six-member ring. Pyrimidine is also six-member ring, but our pyrrolidine is not a six-membered ring. Our pyrrolidine is not a six-membered ring. Our next MCQ is identify the heterocyclic saturated ring. Our piperazine, our piperazine is a heterocyclic saturated ring. Next MCQ is which photochemical reaction involves the formation of oxytane? As we know, our photodimerization reaction is a photochemical reaction involves the formation of oxytane. Next question is carboxylic group is represented. Our carboxylic group and carboxylic acid are same, so they both are represented by COOH. Next question is conversion of a carboxylic acid to an ester is known as we know our carboxylic acid is converted into ester. So here ester is we get ester. So this process is known as esterification. Yeah, this process is known as esterification where carboxylic group acid is converted into an ester. Next question is alcohol reacts with carboxylic acid in the presence of inorganic acid to form. Our alcohol react with carboxylic acid inorganic acid की presence में, then it gave ester to form ester. What I said alcohol reacts with carboxylic acid in the presence of an inorganic acid to form ester. Our next question is Edmann's reagent is chemically. Edmann's reagent is chemically phenyl isothiocyanate. What examiner asked? Edmann's reagent is chemically, and our answer is phenyl isothiocyanate. Next MCQ is uric acid on mild oxidation with nitric acid gives. Uric acid on mild oxidation with nitric acid gives urea and oloxane. What? Urea and oloxane. Who gives it? Uric acid on mild oxidation with nitric acid. What gives? Urea and oloxane. Our next MCQ is which of the following statement is false about tautomers? So as we know, tautomers are structural isomers or tautomers are structural isomers which exist in dynamic equilibrium. Tautomerism involves movement of atom, but tautomers independent existence it is false. Tautomers have dependent existence. You should know it. It it be a very important point. Okay. Next MCQ is an example of five members heterocyclic ring. As you know, pyrrole is an example of five-member heterocyclic ring. Our next MCQ is isomerism caused by the different arrangement of atoms or group in space is called as. It is the definition of our stereoisomerism. What is our isomerism caused by a different arrangement of atoms or group in space is called as stereoisomerism. Our next MCQ is IUPAC name for the structure CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2R. As we know, here are our four carbon. So methyl, ethyl, propyl or butyl. So it's V butyl and here AR is also attached. which represented as N. Then our answer will be N-butyl. IUPAC name for the structure CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and R is N-butyl because here four carbons are present, so we call it butyl, and one R group which is represented by N. Our next MCQ is which of the following is aromatic? As we know, trophyli, our trophylium cation is an aromatic. You should know it. What is the chemical formula of acetic acid? Our acetic acid has chemical formula as CH3COOH. Our acetic acid is represented by CH3COOH. Next MCQ is when a ketonic group attached to a chiral center undergoes nucleophilic addition with a metal hydride reagent, the relative conformation of the predominant isomer is predicted by. So these predominant isomers are predicted by Cramp's rules. Next MCQ is the presence of conjugated system of double bonds in terpenoid can be detected by, and our answer is here Diels-Alder reaction. Presence of conjugated system of double bonds in terpenoid can be detected by Diels-Alder reaction. Next MCQ is molecules whose mirror image are non-superimposable are called, yes, they are called enantiomers. Our next MCQ is which of the following compound exhibit optical activity? Here 2-chlorobutane is which exhibit optical activity. Next MCQ is heterocyclic compound are. Heterocyclic compound are our cyclic compound. Heterocyclic compounds are cyclic compound. Next MCQ is pick out the option that is not a functional group from the following. As we know, hydroxyl group, aldehyde group and carboxylic acid group, they all are our functional group, but benzene group is not a functional group. So here we separate our benzene. Benzene is not a functional group. Our next question is the stereoisomers which are non-superimposable and are not related as object and mirror image are called, yes, answer is diastereoisomers. Next question is liquefied phenol has percent of phenol by weight in water. That is 60%. Next question is aniline is an anti-aromatic. Aniline is an anti-aromatic. Next question is what does MC sorry, what does MC Lafferty rearrangement involve? MC Lafferty rearrangement involve migration of gamma hydrogen atom followed by cleavage of beta bond. Next question is what does a negative value of sigma for a substituent signify? It is electron donating. That is our answer. What does the negative value of sigma for a substituent signify? It is electron donating. Our next MCQ is identify the heterocyclic structure. That is our heterocyclic structure, which is our pyridine. First I draw our heterocyclic structure. That is, yeah, here we use our eraser and add N group. Here double bond. That is our heterocyclic structure, and you give its name. And its name is pyridine. Our next MCQ is carboxylic acid having alpha hydrogen atom replaced by chlorine in presence of. Sorry for disturbing guys. Our question is carboxylic acid having alpha hydrogen atom replaced by chlorine in presence of phosphorus is known as Hell Volher Zelinsky reaction. Here we completed our 40 MCQs and only 10 MCQs are remaining. Next MCQ is the stabilizing agent used in making formaldehyde solution, that is methanol. Next MCQ is which of the following are names of cyclic ether? Oxyrane is a name of cyclic ether. What is oxyrane? Oxyrane is a name of cyclic ether. The next MCQ is find the odd one among the following. Branched chain compounds. Branched chain compounds are odd one. Okay. Next MCQ is which of the following conformer of cyclohexane is more stable? Chair form is more stable here. Next MCQ is in case of delocalization, one of the following is true about ethylene. That is, although the 6 annual carbon atoms are bonded to each other via sp2 orbital, the resultant molecule does not behave as an saturated compound. Next MCQ is thermal isomerization of 1.1,5 dienes by a 3,3 sigma trophic shift is known as our Cope reagent. Cope rearrangement. Sorry, not rearrangement, it is rearrangement. Next MCQ is how many stereoisomers are possible for the following compound? That is our CH3, CH2, CH, Br, CH, bracket में Cl, CH3. There, 4 stereoisomers are possible for this compound. Okay. Next MCQ is which of the following is the chief constituent of vinegar? Our acetic acid is chief constituent of vinegar. Okay, which is our acetic acid is noted by CH3COOH. Acetic acid is represented by CH3COOH. Next MCQ is which of the following is not the IUPAC system of nomenclature? As we know, our IUPAC name is mainly start with I give example of this our IUPAC system of nomenclature, that is 2-methyl propane. Our IUPAC system of nomenclature, in our IUPAC system of nomenclature, we write name, we gives nomenclature as this format, but here we given format as isobutane. That is not the format of IUPAC system. So isobutene is not the IUPAC system of nomenclature. Our next MCQ is which of these is not an aliphatic compound? As we know, our acetic acid, acetaldehyde, and ethane is an aliphatic compound, but our tetrahydro tetrahydrofuran is not an aliphatic compound. Here we completed our 50 question. If you like this video, then please like this video. Thank you.